Hello my sparrows, it's Keisha Simsima. Welcome back to my channel, and today I thought why don't I use one stone and kill both birds. So I was just about to do a YouTube video, and I was getting ready and I thought, yeah, I should show them how I'm gonna get the look for the video that I was planning on doing. So I stopped what I was doing, grabbed the camera, and now I'm gonna show you guys what I'm about to do with this hair thing. Since I've already slicked my hair into the ponytail, I just want to show you guys how I got this slick look. Okay, so I first used this got to be glue. I comb my hair up in one using the got to be glue to kind of glue my hair together into a ponytail, and second I use this Eco Styling gel also to get that slick look, because I want it to last for at least a week and a half. Yes, so I use this Eco Styling gel to get this, to help with enhancing the slick look and to get the hard look that will help my hair to last for a long period of time, to, you know, to keep it slick and everything. I use also this got to be hairspray. It's like glue also, but it's like a hair blasting spray, and it's made my hair stiff and it will hold my hair together. So with all of these are all that I use to get this slick look. And after I got through to that look, I figure why not show you guys. I'm gonna attach my ponytail to get the look that I'm going for the next video. So guys, I've already removed the hair that I'm going to be using to do the ponytail from the paper. I did, because I was not planning on showing it to you guys. This is a 22-inch ultra, and it's in the color 1. Yeah, it's in the color 1 because I dye my hair in jet black and I'd like it to look somewhat natural. So, and it's in the length 22. I only use these hair. This is not this is like fiber, I believe. It's like those fiber hair that you cannot curl or anything. So I normally buy these hair. I believe I paid, let's say, between $9.99 and $12.99 for it. And I normally buy these type of hairs just to do like a ponytail look, because I honestly don't want to waste my human hair doing that. So so this is the hair that came from that, and now I'm gonna wrap it into a ponytail. It's like a Brazilian wave, and I'm gonna slick this into a ponytail. So watch me slay this, guys. So all I need is my hair to finish this look. I got here a pair of scissors and my needle and thread.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. This body baby, oh, this body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to this, nah.
This is the finished look of my ponytail. I like to wear it on to the side because, you know, I have a thing going on right here on my forehead. But as much as I was big or I'm not the type of girl to like wear a lot of bangs to hide my forehead. Very my forehead. So I always wear, I love ponytail, especially in the summer, and now yeah. So yeah, so this is how I wear it. When I put in ponytails like this, I always drop it to the side, and I kind of like it when it's like a little bit
Tell me what you want to know. I go give you all that more.
Call it good in the top. So that's why I use kind of like, I leave my hair out so it has that little flow to the top part, and then here. So this is the look of my ponytail. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel today, and I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great month. Thank you.
She a gypsy girl, she a fine like a